Introducing the all-new Skag Turf Storm, a ground-up design by Skag Power Equipment that is a versatile riding stand-on spreader sprayer. Built Skag tough, this spreader sprayer can help landscape contractors expand their business, and it is a must-have for the serious commercial applicator. This is a great fit for commercial and residential properties as well. Take a look at the Skag Turf Storm in action. This is the brand new Skag Turf Storm. It's a stand-on spreader sprayer new to the market. It features two 30-gallon independent tanks for a total of 60 gallons spray volume. 3 nozzles down the middle and fold them in if you're in a tight area, or spread it out and go with 5 nozzles up to 8 foot wide. A 220 pound capacity hopper. And it comes standard with a 50-foot hose reel spray wand for getting in and out of some small areas. The pump is a 5 gallon per minute pump.
E-Dingo is life-changing for those contractors that do work indoors. This zero emissions electric on a 4-paw platform is life-changing. It can pick up heavy loads and improve or increase your ability to finish work inside without emissions.
Skag has introduced the popular, highly productive V-Ride 2 in a 32-inch deck size. This deck size is perfect for mowing tight trim areas or getting into backyards in a residential setting. Unlike other brands, the Skag 32-inch V-Ride 2 utilizes all the same commercial components found on the other V-Ride 2 models that landscape contractors have relied upon for years. This is the new 32-inch Skag V-Ride 2, basically built for getting inside residential gates or small commercial properties. So for a 32-inch mower, pump and wheel motor, full commercial grade, 16.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine, 5-gallon fuel tank, and floating deck with an adjustable height adjustment right from the stand.
This is the ZK model by Wright Manufacturing. Comes in 5261, or this is the 72-inch model. Several engine options, all the way up to the 37 horsepower Vanguard EFI. Dual fuel tanks, 13 gallons, so you can mow all day long without stopping. 16cc hydros, goes up to about 13 miles per hour. Not that you're going to mow that fast, but it'll get you from point A to point B in no time at all. Great on hills. This one is featuring the Tweel wheels. It also, we have a dually kit for it, which is even better on side hills. Just a great, productive, comfortable stand-on mower.
LL Johnson is proud to announce the newest lineup of renovation products from Stinger Equipment. The lineup consists of a 30-inch and 36-inch stand-on hydraulically driven aerator, a 24-inch dual hydraulic driven walk-behind aerator, and a 24-inch hydro-drive super seeder. Let's take a look at the lineup of Stinger Equipment.
Are you serious about aerating? Then you need a serious aerator. Are chains holding you back? Then break free from the chains with the Quad Air 3600 by Stinger. It changes everything you thought you knew about riding aerators. The Quad Air 3600 is the only commercial quality riding aerator with the size, speed, and performance of today's most popular commercial mowers. Plus, it's quicker, more productive, and more powerful than the competition. Raise and lower the tines almost instantly in a fraction of a second. Best hillside stability, and no chains. Stinger's 50% larger hydro gear pumps and Danfoss drive motors means lower hydraulic pressure and cooler temperatures, which translates to longer life. Stinger's new patent-pending hydraulic drive eliminates all chains, sprockets, tensioners, grease points, and hassles. That's right, no chains, no drive maintenance, and no hassles. Aerate even while turning with the tines in the ground. The Stinger Quad Air 3600, the next evolution in professional equipment. The Super Seeder 2400 by Stinger Equipment is the most productive and powerful seeder on the market. With the ability to seed 24 inches wide at 4 miles per hour, it's over 50% more productive than the competition. In other words, with Stinger, you can cut your time in half or do twice as much in a single day. Not only can you get more done, but you'll be doing it with the most advanced and innovative piece of equipment available. The large 8.5-inch counter-rotating blades. They cut in better, they cover seed better, and they keep more dirt off of you. Not only are they more efficient, but they also have a longer life than the 7-inch blades used by the competition. The Super Seeder 2400 also features the industry's only hardened cutter shaft that prevents blades from cutting into the shaft, so blades are easy to change and shafts last longer. The bearing. We use the premium Pier Ag Extreme bearings, the best. They resist plastic netting that can wrap up around the shaft. Blade adjustment is designed for single-hand operation, and it's counterbalanced for easy adjustment. The Super Seeder 2400 features no cables. All hard linkages are installed, so nothing wears out. This includes the seed flow control. It's easy to disengage so you can work on uneven ground, and then engage to get back to seeding. There's no spring to cause the seed gate to stick, so you know every moment you're getting work done. And the seed dial is actually on the back of the machine, where it should be, in clear view for the operator. The Super Seeder 2400 features dual drive controls, so you can use either hand. Just squeeze to go forward and use your thumb for easy reverse. The controls are designed to give you a wonderful experience, for smooth performance, and they're even soft for comfortable all-day operating. The Sulky is ideal for large areas. And if you already have the Sulky for the dual hydro aerator, you don't need to buy another one. they're compatible. The Stinger also delivers a large seed hopper. How large? 45 pounds. No stopping to refill with this super seeder on the job. And let's talk about the belts. The drive belt and blade belt are spring-loaded and self-adjusting. The blade drives feature massive pulleys and idlers, like on commercial mowers, for the best belt life in the industry. With unmatched commercial quality, speed, and power at your fingertips, it's easy to see why the Super Seeder 2400 is turning heads. The unparalleled performance, ease of use, and perfect machine balance for easy turning is unlike anything you've tried in the industry. With its innovative design and powerful features, the Super Seeder 2400 is now your machine of choice. The Super Seeder 2400 from Stinger, the next evolution in professional equipment.
All new from Wright Manufacturing this year is a top-of-the-line heavy-duty commercial ZXT zero-turn mower. It comes in 52, 61, and 72-inch AeroCore deck models, along with the new 40-horsepower Vanguard fuel-injected engine with the oil guard system. This allows much longer oil change intervals and a cooler running. Here is Ed Wright from Wright Manufacturing to tell you more about it.
Hi, this is Ed from Wright. Today, we're launching a new product, the ZXT. The ZXT is very much at the top of the market. This machine has a 40 horsepower engine, has the oil guard system, which allows for a 500-hour oil change interval in the engine. It has electronic throttle control, so it's very responsive, high performance. Holds 15 gallons of gas. It has 26 by 14-inch rear tires. It comes from 52 through 72-inch decks. So this machine is large, powerful, capable, high performance. And part of that is just our commitment to building commercial mowers that allow you to turn your time into money as fast as possible and as consistently as possible. So we have two levels of suspension. We have 2 inches up here in the seat, and down here we have about 4 inches of travel, and the controls travel with the lower section. So we call this long travel suspension. We will have dual tire options for it. So the dual comes out to about the edge of the 72-inch deck, just gives you a ton more stability. And the bagging system here, it mounts in the back, and there's a blower on here that's a horizontal blower. It goes this way, so we're preserving the momentum. We'll be able to push a ton of grass up into a 3-bag unit on the back. I think you'll be very happy with how powerful it is and how little maintenance it needs.
This is the Toro Grandstand Multi-Force. Comes in 52 or 60-inch decks, 25 horsepower Kohler EFI. The beauty of this machine is it can be used all year long. Mow, then when it starts snowing, you can hook up the plow. We have a blower for fall, catcher for fall, snow blower, leaf plow, all kinds of different implements. And it's great that you can use one machine all year long.
Skag will be introducing their 30-inch finish cut mower later this spring. This is a 30-inch walk-behind mower that rounds out the mower offering from Skag Power Equipment. Although this is brand new, it has been in the field undergoing product testing with different contractors, and we will see the final version later this spring. Here's some footage of it in action and a brief feature walk-around presented by Jake Surgeon from Skag Power Equipment.
This what you're looking at right here is a prototype machine. It is a 30-inch commercial walk-behind mower called the Skag SFC. That will stand for the Skag Finish Cut.
So the machine is powered by a Kohler Command Pro CV224 engine. It's been performing really well for us out in the field in the testing. We have it at a few different test facilities, as well as some landscapers using it, getting a feel for it and doing the testing for us. So that's been proven to be a very good package for this machine. The major structural components of the machine, the cutter deck and the frame, all heavy-duty stamped steel. So rock solid, tough, no stamped aluminum, no lightweight steel, all fully fabricated heavy-duty steel on this machine. So it kind of really does live up to that name and the standard of Skag Power Equipment. So looking at underneath here, you can see the reinforcement plate under here that runs throughout the entire top of the deck. Very similar to what you'll find on our Hero deck and our Velocity Plus deck with that extra reinforcement at the spindle areas where it's needed. You're going to see a two-blade system on this machine, and with it not being a timed deck, it is an offset deck. That's going to make the event of whenever you have belt breaks or just you need to update that or work on this system, it's going to be a much quicker belt change. You can do it in really a matter of minutes compared to a more complex setup that you might find on a time deck. We'll shift around here to the height of cut on this machine. Right now where we're currently at is 1.5 inches to 5 inches on this machine, and it is in 1/4 inch increments. So again, that's kind of what you're going to find on our zero-turn riders, V-Ride, our entire lineup. We set it down to the 1/4 inch increments. So a nice advantage with this machine is being able to get really truly precise to where you want it to be rather than in 1/2 inch increments. This is going to be very, very competitively priced in the market. And that kind of covers the new Skag SFC Finish Cut 30-inch mower. The wait is finally almost over, the prototype you're seeing at least here today.
The Skag Windstorm completely blows away the old methods of debris and leaf management. This stand-on riding blower is loaded with tons of horsepower, delivering a massive 7,500 CFM of airflow and equipped with a multi-directional nozzle. The stand-on design makes it very maneuverable and productive. Let's take a look at the Windstorm in action at a park with some wide open areas and some tight maneuverable sidewalks.
We have the 24-inch Toro stand-on aerator. Has a 24-inch aerating pattern, 30-inch wheel pattern from side to side. That'll give you access to most backyards and tighter areas. Has the E-depth, so you can control your depth of the tines in half-inch increments. You also have a hydraulic pressure lever, which helps you, depending on the conditions, if you need more pressure, you can do that. Real easy to use, very compact, comes with a Kohler engine, great machine, very productive.
The Toro Z-Master 4000 zero-turn mower is a force to be reckoned with. Built tough with a powerful 24.5 horsepower Kawasaki FX751 engine, heavy-duty commercial-grade hydros, flat-free semi-pneumatic caster tires, 24-inch rear tires, and a 7-gauge high-strength steel turbo force cutting deck to take on any job. With an hour meter, USB ports, phone holder, and a cup holder, you'll have everything you need from the comfort of your deluxe suspension seat to help you power through a long day.
Toro's patented Turbo Force deck is a force to be reckoned with. Built with high-strength 50 KSI 7-gauge steel and reinforced with the industry's first fully welded bullnose bumper and massive cast aluminum spindles. And while, yes, the 4000 is built to take on serious punishment, it's not all about brute strength. This Z-Master was engineered to ensure you get Toro's legendary quality of cut the first time. No stragglers, no scalping, no double cutting. Just a fast, clean cut that'll make you proud. Even though the terrain can get tough, doesn't mean you gotta feel it. Toro's patented MyRide suspension system is so much more than just a cool, comfortable seat. The entire platform floats above the mower, with up to 3 inches of comfort-driven suspension travel. You can even customize the rear shocks to soak up whatever ruts and bumps come your way, day in, day out. And with all those hours on the mower, things like a couple of big cup holders and dual USB ports are what keep you energized and comfortable all day long. Because after over a century in the turf business, Toro gets it. Sometimes it's the little stuff that makes a big difference. Just one look, and you'll know the Z-Master 4000 was built by pros for pros. Powerful Kawasaki engines and bigger, beefier hydros mean you've got the power, speed, and handling to dominate the terrain for the long haul. And look good doing it. All with the confidence you get when you've got a big-time warranty and one of the industry's largest dealer networks in your back pocket. Don't settle for anything less. Get the mower that's built to perform, year after year, from start to finish. The Toro Z-Master 4000. Only from Toro. Count on it.